Hey guys, Adam back at it again. I've got the Navara, Mo's got the Ranger. Who done the best? Guys, my Navara build, top to bottom. You guys saw the Iron Outlaw build that I did last year, reached over 600,000 views on YouTube. I built another one, however, just changed it up just a little bit. Starting off, front and rear rival bar, 2-inch Dobinsons Lift, Dobinsons Winch, 9,500 pound synthetic rope. These are Avalanches, Falken tires, roller cover, dash cam, and just the works, man. E-boards as well too.
Now I'm going to be talking about my Ranger. The Ranger got front, rear bar, Dobinsons Lift Kit, also got the Dobinsons Winch. Underbody armor to finish it off. The beautiful King blade was wrapped with the BFJ KO2s, stainless steel snorkel, also got window tint, bonnet protector, and the Weathershields, and the AutoCraze snorkel. We need you guys to tell us who you like most. Like, subscribe, share, and give us a comment. Because I don't care what you say about me, I don't care what you say about Adam, just tell us how you feel about our builds. Because guys, that's how you do a Ranger, bro. Adam?
And that's how you do a Navara, bro.